Good evening, team. You guys ready for your first shift? So, let's confirm your positions.
I will take picture of the patient, register them, and print the badge.
Corn and I will diagnose and treat them.
And I'm the security. I will keep the hospital safe.
Good too. And one more thing, team. Be careful with anomalies. Look closely at the photo of their face. Use the camera to see anything sus. Now you can start. Have a good night.
Medkit, bandage, medicine, and maple syrup?
The machine is beeping. That means it's working, right?
Okay, Apple. Look calm. Look useful.
Only one security camera? Then I'll watch it carefully.
Hi. I want to check in as a patient.
Okay.
So, this is the anomaly Dr. Harlow talked about.
You haven't opened the lid.
Sorry, this is my first day.
I got room 1.
Lie down and we will treat you in no time.
You got stomachache, Corn? Go give him some herbs.
Okay, huh?
Dr. Korn needed at room 3. I repeat, Dr. Korn needed at room 3.
I'm the doctor now. So cool, right?
Just go. I can take care of this.
Hello, hello. How are you today?
My stomach. It's hurt, huh?
Okay. Let me check. My friend, you diagnosed as Canadian. Don't worry. I have this for you. Here.
Thanks. Can I have another?
Sure, here, more syrup.
Thanks, but I think it's not enough.
Fine, I will get you some more.
Thanks. I think that's enough.
How? It doesn't leave my hand yet.
Hey, what can I say? I'm Canadian.
True. That's not a patient, and it's not even a human. He is huge, like a giant, and he just disappeared to thin air.
Corn, are you sure you didn't hit your head or use some weird medicine?
Nah, maybe you're just scared of your own shadow.
So, giant, scary, and can disappear. Great story. But we need more evidence.
Hey there, friends. I'm Barney. Can you give me a coffee? I had a long day.
We run out of coffee. Here, you can take mine.
Thanks, friend, and I needed that. I will remember this.
Being small has its advantages. I hear things. I see things. It's a dangerous job.
So, are we supposed to be impressed or worried about...
You make moves to fight your
Are we
allergies.
supposed to be impressed or worried about this little guy?
Thanks. I will wait in room 5.
Hey, we are taking a break. Can you leave? Hey, friend. We are taking a break. Can you wait a moment? Hey, can you hear me?
Hey, back off.
Apple, you okay?
I'm good.
Sir, where is he?
Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security camera for you guys.
Help! Help!
Busy night, huh? Name's Ron, from accounting. You guys ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Never mind.
No manners even at a hospital haste.
I would love a coffee right now. This tastes amazing. Friends, friend, I need to ask you a favor. Could you use that camera to take a picture of me? You truly are a friend. Thanks for the photo.
Pump, help he get him inside.
Here, quick.
Anything?
So maple syrup can help with Bet Monster.
So they have standards, huh?
Guys, look. On the TV,
There's been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died, and many were hurt. Be prepared. The ambulance is coming.
here, some ointment. This will help with your burn.
Hey, Corn, I need your help.
Got it.
Scissors. Scalpel. Transplant. Medicine.
Which one?
You're kidding, right?
Yeah, this.
That's the wrong one.
I know, just messing with you. So I must remember the colors. Green, yellow, red, yellow, got it. This time it's red, red, yellow, green. Green, red, yellow, green.
So, you need medkit and herbs. I will be right back. Hold on.
I want to check in as patient. What? No service. I'm leaving.